Bing bong bing bong, bing bing bong bong. Ladies and gentlemen, please collect your Bellroy luggage from the Tech Force carousel. Please collect your Bellroy luggage from the Tech Force carousel. Why? Because it's Tech Force time. Let's go! Taking a look at the Bellroy Transit Workpack. It's a small 20-litre size bag that is designed around the 15 and 16-inch size laptop. Many smaller size packs often overlook the 15 and 16-inch class laptops and focus their efforts on the far smaller 13 and 14-inch class. Anyone who has a 15-inch laptop and wants a sleek, stylish backpack will often be left with less desirable options or be looking at a far larger, heavier and more overbuilt options. Luckily for us, Bellroy has come to the party and they have designed the Transit Workpack. And that's been designed around the 15 and 16-inch laptops, which is great for us bigger laptop users. Yippee! In the front of the laptop compartment is a small sunglasses pocket that is lined with a soft, stretchy material. There is room here for sunglasses or other small accessories, and perhaps a sunglass case if it runs on the thinner side. This is a great design as most people own glasses or sunglasses. Very clever to be putting this in here. It's great. Thank you very much. And now on to the main event. Yes, the star of the show here is the main compartment, and it's accessed by two YKK racquet coil zipper sliders. I managed to fit shoes, a water bottle and gym clothes inside to test the size, and they're all fitted with room to spare, so that's great. A little bit of extra room is good. Then, you won't believe it, but it's bigger and deeper than your average backpack. Something that doesn't quite make sense, well, it's the front pockets. They seem to miss the mark in some ways. As an organizational pocket, it was a weird design choice for me. The sideways orientation of it meant that a lot of things you put in this pocket could slip out, which isn't great. I don't want to be losing my things. Now, those things will all be falling out if you put them in this little slip pocket. I also didn't find it as intuitive as taking things out of the bag and having to rotate the bag onto its side versus just putting the bag down and coming at it from the top-down method. So, it doesn't quite make sense to me. The Transit Workpack also features not one, but two bottle pockets. Bellroy has opted to sink these pockets into the body of the bag in order to maintain a clean profile. Basically, in other words, they're taking up space from the main compartment inside the bag. They're also quite small. It seems a little tricky getting the bottles in and out of them sometimes, and then two bottle pockets seems a little bit excessive. Almost all people will only need one. The extra pocket is taking up space, I feel. And talking about space, this is the space in the video where the like and subscribe button comes up. And you know what you have to do? Yes, that's right. You go on over and you clickety-click it. Please go on over, show us some love, and hit that bell icon if you'd like to be notified every time we drop a video. And trust me, you do want to be notified. In conclusion, Bellroy has a strong day pack contender on its hands here with the Transit Workpack. There are no glaring flaws to speak of, and the biggest offenders here are, well, it's basically the front pocket and the bottle pockets, but those are just basically nitpickings rather than serious criticism. It's just the right size for the daily commute to work, and it has superb organization both in and out, with enough pockets to keep all the small stuff separate and accounted for. All this is wrapped up in a clean, classy look that's hard not to like. That's all we've got time for in this episode. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. One doesn't often think about it, but what if nobody invented the bag? Oh my goodness, we'd just be carrying things around everywhere. What a pain. Thank goodness for the bag.